Hello YouTube, YS back again with another video. Today I'm going to show you how I rig up my Panasonic S1H for professional shoot. Let's get started. A fluid head tripod is crucial to any professional shoot. So this is the one I decided to go with. I'm going to first pop a battery in here. And the first step is to add a cage. This is a tilter full cage for the Panasonic Lumix S series. This will work for the S1 as well as the S1H. So let's go ahead and put this in here. I'm gonna have to remove this plate. This is gonna go right here. And then I'm gonna secure it. All right, this is secured. Now we have a lot of mounting options. As you can see, it's full of mounting points to add accessories. Next step, I'm gonna put it on this base plate like this. So we're gonna go ahead and secure that sturdy. And as you may already know, the S1H isn't exactly known for a good autofocus. So we're gonna also add a manual focus system, also from Tilter. This one doesn't come with a cage, you have to buy it separate. Put this right here. This is the focus motor, and it's gonna be controlled using the side handle. All right, and then we're gonna screw this in place. Next step is to add the side handle. By the way, I will be adding links to every single item I'm using in this video if you're interested. It's gonna go right here. And then use the screw right here to secure it. And now we have a side handle to hold everything tight and pull focus using this knob right here. All right, so there is a micro USB cable to micro USB connecting the side handle to the focus motor. Connect that right here. All right, so in order to hook this up to our tripod, I'm gonna have to attach this base plate. All right, it's secured. Now let's go ahead and add the lens. This is a Lumix S Pro 50mm f1.4. That's secured. And now we're gonna align the focus motor. All right, as you can see, the lens is quite beefy, so we don't want to put a lot of stress on the lens mount. We're gonna use a lens support, as you can see. That's gonna go right here. All right, now we have a good support for the lens. For matte box, this is what I opted for. This is the Tilter matte box, super small and compact. Comes with a lot of adapters depending on the lens diameter. Matte box hooked up. All right, next we're gonna add a top handle. This one comes with the cage as a kit, just like this. Now we have a nice handle to hold the whole rig. It's not easy to put focus using this small monitor, so I'm gonna go ahead and add an external monitor. So this is the Filmword FW568 V3. It gets the job done. And I will lock this in place, just like this. Power the monitor, then the battery for the focus system. Camera on. Let's switch the display on. And as you can see, we have our feed. Everything looks good. The focus system is working perfectly fine. Now I'm sure that you're wondering what I do on set if it's a long shoot, because that's obviously going to be a lot of battery swapping. This is where this comes in. I designed and 3D printed this enclosure that I mount on my rig, and I can just go ahead and use this power bank that fits exactly on here. Alright, as you can see, this is what it looks like flush with the cage. It's not in the way or nothing. And then I can slide the power bank in here just like this. And now as you can see, I can hand hold it like this. I'm using two outputs on the power bank. I'm using one with a USB-C cable to connect it to the battery of the monitor. As you can see, it has a USB-C port to charge the battery and a USB-C out to keep the camera battery charged up. And I can run this for about 6 hours without needing to swap the power bank. I have a second one as a backup that I always keep fully charged. I can also see the battery status right here on the power bank, so I can swap it out when needed. So that's going to be it for this video. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, go ahead and put it in the comment section. I'll do my best to answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.